Hello and welcome to Meet the Beat. Today we are cooking a Swedish dish for you. It's a beef Lindström or beef Lindström. It's sort of like a steak, but a little different. So let's get going. We will start out by taking an onion and chop it up very finely. We're actually going to add this onion to the minced beef, so it's very important that the pieces aren't too big. We're also going to add some capers to the dish, so we want to chop those up really finely as well. As well as some beetroot, pickled beetroot. That is a very common thing to find in Scandinavia, so that's going to add a little bit of a sweet twist to the beef Lindström. Just chop that up very finely, and here you see all the three ingredients chopped up. What we're going to do now is we're going to melt some butter in a pan and add the onion to the pan, as well as some cloves of garlic, and we're going to do this so that the onion will be a little more caramelized and sweet in this beef. It's going to give it a bit more flavor and richness, so that is definitely preferable from using raw onions. What we do now is we add salt to the minced beef, and then we'll add some freshly ground pepper as well. Then we toss in our onions and garlic, and we incorporate it well into the minced beef. Going to add one egg, and the egg will sort of serve as the glue that holds everything together, and it will also give a certain fluffiness to the steak, which is very delicious. Then we add in the chopped capers, and the chopped beetroot, pickled beetroot, as well as 1 teaspoon of mustard, Dijon mustard. It's going to give a nice spice to the beef Lindström. And here we've used 1 pound of minced beef actually, so we get 4 big steaks out of it. And once we've shaped the steaks, we're just gonna pat them a little bit with a knife in order to remove all the air from the steak. And then they're actually ready to go onto the pan, and we're using just normal canola oil to fry them in, so you can use any kind of neutral tasting oil. Oil is better than butter in this case because oil will make the pan or will make the fat go a little more up in temperature, and in that way you'll get a better surface on your steaks. And as you can see, the pickled beetroot is giving this nice red color to the meat. It's very charming, we find, and you'll see that as well here in the video when we show the steaks after they've come off the pan. Now we'll serve up our beef Lindström with a few homemade fries, oven-baked fries. You can go to our YouTube profile to find those, find the video for those. And we also serve it up with a nice scoop of cream cheese and creme fraiche. So here you go. Enjoy the dish, and we hope you liked it. Go subscribe to our YouTube profile, please, and see you next time.